Okay, the real trick to these is to focus on what would change potential and kinetic energy. So first of all, potential energy, you remember, is mass times gravity times height. In this situation, the bull's mass isn't changing, gravity certainly isn't changing, so we're just going to look at the height. If the height doesn't change, the potential energy doesn't change. So they're running along here, and they're going basically along flat ground. Doesn't say anything about them running up a hill or down a hill, so his potential energy would stay the same. The kinetic energy, remember, kinetic energy is equal to mv squared divided by 2. Again, mass isn't changing. 2 is not going to change, obviously. So we're going to look at the velocity. Did the velocity change? And in this situation, originally, the bull was running forward really quickly, and by the end it was stopped. So originally he had kinetic energy, and by the end he stopped. So he has no kinetic energy. So his kinetic energy is going to decrease.